What's up? My name is Dale McManus. I'm a professional cinematographer, photographer, and award-winning YouTuber. I have a bachelor's degree in film and 7 years experience in the field of videography and photography. If you're wondering what kind of quality video you're going to be able to take by the end of this course, I'll show you. This is some of my personal footage that I've taken while traveling to different parts of the world and that I've taken while just 5 minutes from my house. Want to know the crazy part? I took all of this on my iPhone, and the video that I'm showing you right now got over 2 million views on Facebook. No joke. Seriously, learning professional cinematography is what separates you from the rest of the world. I've designed this course around DSLRs and smartphones, but you can use any camera that you have. I've designed this course to be as clear and concise as possible. I use graphics and screen recordings and my own personal examples to keep you engaged the entire time. And I even include downloadable notes at the end of the course so that all you have to do is kick your feet up and enjoy the material. Alright, so this course is designed for anyone that ... wants to become a skilled videographer and cinematographer, wants to shoot incredible video without spending thousands of dollars on expensive gear, wants to stunningly document their travels and amp up their social media accounts, wants to turn video and cinematography into a professional career, and wants to shoot short films, movies, and learn the art of storytelling. So here's just some of the things that you're gonna learn in this course. How to shoot professional video by utilizing shot composition, how to optimize your camera settings for taking better video, how to replicate cinematic movie-like movement for your video, how to create professional lighting for any scenario, how storytelling can instantly boost your production quality, and how to film people, landscapes, architecture, and so much more for boosting your social media or showing your friends or whatever purpose you might have for your video. So, with that being said, head on to the next lesson and we will jump right in.